I'm Sarah Richardson. We're on an island. We're 15 minutes by boat. Everything has to get here by boat, and we've got a ton of work to do. The building was once the grand dame of this area. It was a jewel. We're going to rescue this cottage. This has the greatest bones ever. The greatest bones, and let me tell you, with a really dated color palette. Salmon and moss and cedar and hunter green and cerulean blue and a whole lot of wild and wacky tones.
And we're going to reimagine it into a cottage for today.
And make it fantastic. And Alex and I are going to do all of this together. This is the story of our latest and greatest cottage project. This is Sarah's Island Rescue.